I wake up early. I wake up early. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. I go to work. I go to work. I wake up early. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I go to work. I start my work. I start my work. I take a short break. I take a short break. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I finish my work. I finish my work. I go back home. I go back home. I have dinner. I have dinner. I go to bed. I go to bed. I start my work. I take a short break. I eat lunch. I finish my work. I go back home. I have dinner. I go to bed. Okay, for more lesson, subscribe to the channel. See you in another lesson. Bye!